A lot of upcoming artists don't know how to make money as an upcoming artist. In their mind, they always think that you can make money unless you blow up or you become an A-list artist. But the answer is no. Yeah, Charlie. Yeah. My name is Kenneth Rhymes, aka Rhymes Beat. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Rhymes Beat, Kenneth Rhymes. Yeah. On today's episode, it's all about how to make money as music producer or musician, upcoming musician. So recently we talked about making this channel more entertaining. So we have divided the segment into two. So Monday we having tutorials on Monday, and on Thursdays it's all about education concerning how to make a living through music as a whole and as an upcoming artist. So on today's Thursday. So on today's episode is how to make money as an upcoming musician. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please, I have a new channel called Rhymes Beat. If you want all your type beats, Afro beats, hip hop beats, dancehall beats, you can check the link in the description so that you can follow and subscribe to my new YouTube channel for you to get all your type beats. But on this platform is basically for tutorials and how to make money as a musician or music producer. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. I'm coming right back. It's kind of rhymes. Yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, the name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes. Yeah, as I've already told you, today's lesson is basically for how to make money as an upcoming artist. A lot of upcoming artists don't know how to make money as an upcoming artist. In their mind, they always think that you can make money unless you blow up or you become an A-list artist. But the answer is no. You can make money as an upcoming artist, and today I'm here to show you the way to your success, how you can make money as an upcoming musician in Africa, Europe, America, everywhere. To start, number one is by playing your own show or attending an event. Yeah, a lot of an upcoming artist will be thinking, oh, I'm an upcoming artist, so there's no need for me to charge on a show. But the answer is no. You have to charge, or they have to give you, like, let's say a tip off so that it will motivate your music career. So through that you can earn a living, like, oh, you can get some money for the next studio session. Yeah, so by playing shows or by doing your own events can generate you money to support your music career. Number two on my list is by distributing your music on all digital platforms. Example is iTunes, Audiomack, SoundCloud, Spotify, Boomplay, Instagram, and so forth and so on. Yeah, as an upcoming artist, if you want to make money from your music, you have to distribute your music on all these digital platforms. And I have some top 4 distributors that distribute your music without charging you anything. And on my next video, I will teach you, or I will show you their names and how you can reach up to them. Yeah, they distribute your tracks to the digital stores without charging you anything. Yeah, but they will take off 10% after you earn the streams. Yeah, they will take their share. if you distribute your music on there, and the more people streams your music, the more revenue you will get. So this can help you shoot videos for your tracks and visit studio anytime. So please try and distribute your tracks on these digital platforms. I know people will be saying, as an upcoming artist, you have to blow before people can stream your music on digital platforms, but the answer is no. Okay, you have to put your music some on free platforms so that people can download it, but you have to also put your music on digital platforms so that your fans in abroad can also have access to the music, because some of the free downloads websites cannot be accessed in London or in America. So you have to distribute your music so that people can purchase your music and you can earn something. So please, if you want to make money as an upcoming musician, you have to distribute your music on all these digital platforms. Number 3 on my list is through YouTube ads, YouTube advertisements, or YouTube adverts. Yeah, so let's say you're an upcoming artist. You can do freestyles, you can do music, or you can post your music on YouTube. You can post your videos on YouTube, and the more people streams your videos, the more subscribers you will get. So let's say right now you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So right now people can stream your music and you will be getting revenue. So please try and create YouTube accounts so that you'll be putting your music over there, and YouTube will be advertising on it. So the more people will be watching your videos, the more revenue you'll be getting, or you will get. So please, as an upcoming artist and you want to make money, you have to create YouTube accounts. It's necessary for an upcoming artist. So number 4 on my list is through Fiverr. A lot of African artists don't know Fiverr. Yeah, it's cool, but the upcoming artists know that place. So let's say you are an upcoming artist, you can visit fiverr.com and create an account over there and create your profile that you are a musician and a songwriter. So people are there looking for people to write their songs for them, so they can contact you for you to write the songs for them, and after writing for them they will pay you. Yeah, people are there in the need of maybe vocals or like female vocals, so you can help them get that vocals they want and they will pay you back. So it's good for you to create an account on Fiverr so that people will be needing your service and they'll patronize you and you'll be getting money to support your music. So the next on my list is through affiliate marketing. Yeah, as a musician or as an upcoming musician, you can be an affiliate to some of the top companies in Africa or in the Western world. So let's say you want to be affiliate marketer for Amazon. So you visit their website, then you scroll down, you'll see affiliate, then you click on it. So you follow the steps. So affiliate means you'll be marketing for them, or you'll be marketing for a certain product. So when people purchase the products, you get a share from it. So let's say you are a musician, so you'll be going for products concerning music, so that maybe you can do a music concerning that products. So the more people will be watching you, and you will leave your affiliate link in the description, they will be clicking on that link and do a purchasing, and you'll be getting a percentage through that. So you can be an affiliate marketer, and through that you can earn something to support your music. So my last one on my platform is you. Yeah, I mean you must think as a professional and a professional artist. Don't think as an upcoming artist only, or an underground artist. You have to think that music is a business, so you have to brand yourself well in order for people to patronize you. The products that your product is your music. Yeah, so you have to brand yourself well so that people can patronize your products. So after branding yourself well, that's you have to be on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, everywhere, and promoting yourself. So the more you promote yourself, the more people will be knowing you and willing to purchase your music. So I think this all I have for you today, and I think it's good. So but if you have any comments, you can leave your comments on the comment section below. Yeah, the comment section below. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. The name is Kenny Rhymes. Yo, so thank you for watching me. We'll be doing this same time next week. The names will remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, RGM baby. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because we have a lot to learn. I'm out.